Hi, I'm Anasuya Sengupta and I'm super excited to be shooting with Grazia today. It's more an honor really than a responsibility, and I personally think it was really long coming because we have a thriving independent cinema industry, and I believe I was only standing on the shoulder of giants, and there's been incredible people in independent cinema for years really, and I'm happy that things aligned, and it was me that brought notice to it at the festival last year, and I'm very, very proud. I think, I personally think there isn't that much difference because I think how it's seen from the outside is a lot to do with how we project it. And I think the differences between the different kinds of Indian cinema are blurring as we go along between what's mainstream, what's commercial, what's art house, what's independent. And that's the way the world is also looking at us as a country on the whole and as an industry as well. I recently presented my film The Shameless just last week in Switzerland where it's released, and I was really happy to see the level of curiosity and keenness and interest in understanding more about Indian culture in ways that they don't always get to see. So I think that is something that's something the gaze from the outside has that we don't per se have. And I think we should portray an even more diverse picture. I think acting in The Shameless, and I mean, I've been working in films for many years, over 15 years, but far behind the camera. So it was really a dream come true moment for me, and then to go on to getting selected at Cannes and winning an award, and I had absolutely no expectation that specific. That happened. I didn't know I ended up making history, and I was excited for months. So that definitely tops it so far. For me, the special pieces are little things of that belong to my grandmother and mother. That when I was younger, I wasn't really allowed to access too much. But of course, now there aren't these rules. So they hold stories of their lives, their childhoods, their journeys, and that's really special for me.